Understanding overly trusting, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of a commonly used English phrase, overly trusting. This phrase is not just about trust, but about how sometimes too much trust can be a bit of a problem. Let's dive in to understand this intriguing phrase better. Overly trusting is a phrase composed of two parts, overly and trusting. Overly means too much or excessively. Trusting, on the other hand, refers to the belief in the reliability, truth, or ability of someone or something. So, when combined, overly trusting describes a situation or a person who trusts too much, often ignoring potential risks or negative intentions of others. Let's look at some everyday examples. 1. She's overly trusting with strangers, which sometimes gets her into trouble. 2. Being overly trusting led him to invest in a scheme that was actually a scam. 3. Their overly trusting nature is why they often believe everything they hear without questioning it. These examples show how being overly trusting can sometimes lead to negative outcomes. Understanding the context is key. Overly trusting is often used in situations where naivete or a lack of skepticism may lead to problems. It's important to recognize that this phrase is not always negative. In some contexts, it may simply point out a tendency to trust easily, which can be seen as a positive trait in nurturing environments. It's all about balance. While being trusting is a virtue, being overly trusting can make one vulnerable. The lesson here is to trust, but also to be aware and cautious. It's about finding that middle ground where trust is balanced with a healthy dose of realism and caution. And that's a wrap on overly trusting. Remember, trust is valuable, but like everything else, it's best in moderation. I hope this video helps you understand this phrase better and use it accurately in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.